Have you ever been in a situation where you've had to make a decision and you've just decided to listen to your own inner voice, to listen to your own intuition and instincts? This is the energy of the High Priestess. She is the feminine archetype of our spiritual beliefs, which aren't based necessarily in what's written down, but what we intrinsically believe inside ourselves. The High Priestess is a time of non-action. It's a time for quiet reflection. And as you can see from the symbols of the cards, this is a very elegant, peaceful and beautiful woman who is sitting quietly on her throne. She carries the symbol of the cross in the centre of her chest, and the cross in this way is non-denominational. But it is the sign of religion, which means the sign of our beliefs. She's got the moon on her head and the moon under her feet. Now the moon always symbolises that world of the unknown, those areas at night with the moon where it's very quiet and we're thinking inside ourselves. She is in command of this element. She carries a scroll in her hand. And this isn't necessarily, again, about what is written down, but it's to do with a framework. When the High Priestess comes up in a reading, she indicates a woman of wise counsel. And sometimes our best wise counsel is that intuitive knowing that we carry within ourselves. The High Priestess reversed is someone who can't get in touch with their instinctive side. That's their feminine side. They can't listen, or they won't listen to their own wise counsel. If this is shown in your arena or environment, it means that there's someone around you who is spouting the words of other people without necessarily knowing what those words mean. This is someone who is not working from their instincts, but from parroting someone else's knowledge.